Hi everyone, if you are looking for the divide symbol in Word, then how you can do that? Press the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 0247 and release the Alt key. And this is what you can see, divide symbol has been inserted. You can select it and make it bigger and change the color of your choice. The second way is that copy the divide symbol by pressing Ctrl C, go to the file and go to the options. Click on the proofing, and here you will see that autocorrect option. You need to click on that, and in the replace box you need to type backslash and Ctrl V for the divide symbol, and now replace and yes, click OK and OK. Now every time whenever you type backslash, it will type automatically divide symbol. The third method is that go to the insert, on the right side click on symbol, more symbols, and in the font section you need to select normal text, and in the subset select the Latin 1 supplement, and here you need to type 00F7 00F7 and hit enter, and you will be routed to the divider sign, and this is the divide sign. Click on insert and close. Now you can see that divide symbol has been inserted. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.